DP subject pronouns homework 2. Okay, so if you're not sure how to do this, number one, you gotta make sure that you have your notes page filled in because that's going to help you with everything. Remember, the notes page is in Schoology. We filled it in together. If you need to fill that in still, you can go to the weekly slides under course materials. But let's go ahead and figure out how to do this. So there are two sections here. Remember, you can always go to the magnifying glass if you need to zoom in or out. So that's super tiny. So I'm going to zoom in to 100. And then I can scroll up and down. Part A says, how would you talk about the following people? Write the correct subject pronoun next to their names. Follow the model. So the model says Marisol. That's just somebody's name. It's a girl's name. So therefore, I would talk about Marisol. If she's standing out in the hall and I'm talking about her, then I would be, I just said it twice, her, she. So that is where I put ella. For this one, Pablo, you got to pretend like all of these people are standing outside and you're talking about them. So you're talking to your best friend saying, oh my God, do you see Pablo? He is whatever. Oh, Maria and Esther, they, girls, are whatever. So that's what you're going to do for these. And then part 2 says, how would you talk to the following people? Write the correct subject pronoun next to their names. Follow the model. So, tu amiga Josefina, your friend Josefina, you would use tú because it's your friend. You informal. Remember, you're talking directly to them. Now, if a professor named El Profesor Santiago were to walk up to you, what are you going to use to talk to this person? It's El Profesor, so I know it's a dude, but I'm talking to them. So I don't need to worry about if they're a boy or a girl. I just need to use the correct subject pronoun to talk to them. Same with Marta y Carmen. If you walked up to them, you could be like, hey, y'all, or hey, you guys. Anita y yo, you're talking to them, so therefore you are a part of them. Anita and I, so therefore it's going to be we. Those are all the helpful hints I'm going to give you. But remember, these are you're talking to them, and on the top you're talking about them. When you fill this in, you're going to click in here. I would double click or triple click and get rid of all that and then start typing over it. Do not type after it. Okay, that's it. Subject pronouns homework 2. Easy peasy.